Joe.
Got so much back.
Hey.
Shouldn't
Jesus Christ. Just checking in. Slowly but surely, dog.
What's up, Kino?
What's up, man?
I'm here, bro. I heard that you were coming today, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, a long time those extended family don't see me over there, innit?
No.
Oh my.
You messing up. Don't make call, eat them out.
Yeah.
Extended, you're gonna be proud. The cottage is so beautiful. You know, you wanna see the cottage?
What?
Come take a look.
What?
Beat them out. You mean curry mackerel?
No.
Yeah. You curry mackerel, brown stew mackerel, and mackerel and stew peas.
No, man. You know, remember the steam mackerel there?
Yeah,
the steam mackerel. Color red door. Tiling floor. What a hole, Max, make sure slug inside the mackerel inside.
What a holy papa.
I be a protein for you, Max.
Yeah, what you want to know, no? I want to know for mash out, you know. Max look, I want to chunky, yeah what? Max, no left back, nothing, yeah man. Is that one, yeah?
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A Kino. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day. Pas de soleil, 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 pas de soleil.
Max is here. Indo, Chinaman.
Yeah man, one and only China man.
One and only Chinaman.
Black Chinese with little color.
Yeah. Original Chinese. You see Max come and shop. Max, tell him what you're buying. You know what Max buying already once the Max are shopping at you, right Max? Max, how much mackerel you want? Well, I'm saying check the receipt. So much check the receipt. Alright. Well, Max, see it here. Max, right now you can't bother with talk to you, so I'm not going to give it to you. You know, so Dr. K, yes, prefect. So Dr. K sent $2,000 for Max, for mackerel. Yeah. So we have $2,000 worth of mackerel for Max Joe from Dr. K from Voucher Place, New York. Alright, Max, I just come and shop it, right? Alright, so see there, $2,000 worth of mackerel for Max from Dr. K. Prefect.
Yeah man, Dr. K. Max telling a few words here, but I tell a tag swim, you see it? Yeah man, enough respect and love. Yeah man.
14 mackerel.
14 mackerel, you hear that wow? Dr. K buy 14 mackerel for Max. Max, you hear that?
Yeah man, if I give one, I'm going to deal with it too far.
Yeah.
Max get away now, you know. Give him all the mackerel, he might eat out the meat and left the gravy.
I left the gravy.
When we call him feet, see me, huh?
What?
Like Max I said, how we are called for that?
Yeah. Imagine if Cash get 14 mackerel right now.
Cash is a bush dog and this is a town dog. So it's a difference. You see?
And I want to tell you, say, imagine how the bush dog live.
The town dogs, I say, well, should have moved away then.
Like
move like some risk dog.
Yeah. Max I live like a uptown in
Yeah,
Denver,
you
know?
can't give Max.
Resort style. You
Yeah,
can't give Max
you can't
nothing
give
else
Max
more than meat.
rice and them thing there.
Not even
That
bone.
Full of gravy, bone can't
And you
chop.
can't give Max a chop bone
No,
or no bone
man.
at all. Man, walk past that.
Man, look on you different.
Max tell us straight, say you're a mackerel in my deal with. So you say Max, where you say 14 mackerel for you. Twice a day.
I get some of the thing there for him. Shampoo and thing.
Yeah.
Brother we carry it in and make him get a worm out and give him a fresh, you see?
Alright.
I have to take care of him.
Have to. But Max, you come like you buy out the shop, you know, cause no more mackerel no left. You Joe Max, you buy out the shop? That in the door. See, Max buy out the shop. Hey Max, you buy out the shop. Yeah, Max money tall man. Max buy out the shop to that thing. Nothing left back on the shelf. See there, the shelf empty. And Max done, see there? The shelf empty. Yeah. One case of mackerel. Jeez,
You messing out. Don't make Carl keep them, Carl eat them out.
yeah.
Well, if I me I go keep them, eat them out.
No, I eat them out. You mean curry mackerel?
No,
Yeah.
Him curry mackerel, brown stew mackerel, and mackerel and straw peas.
No man, you know remember the steam mackerel there?
Yeah,
you
steam
remember
mackerel.
the steam mackerel.
Yeah. See
Steam
there?
one.
Max,
Max.
come here Max. Max. What a whole heap of mackerel. What a whole Max, make sure sit down beside the mackerel. A be a protein for you, Max. Yes, sir, Max. Max is nice. Right, can't struggle jealous, you know. Can't just say you have too much vegetable right now.
Yeah.
Yeah. Take it off, bring it. Come here, man. Alright, come, bring it and come. Bring it and come. Max, come. Come. Max get well of 14 mackerel.
Max to live life. Then you know live life. Eh? It's alright. Ask a question. You say
14, one case of mackerel Max alone get.
live life. Alright.
Max a bad boy. Yeah, man.
Yes, Max.
You
Take up a 5 grams in the car, man. Rush it.
No, man. I take it up in my work. Yeah, man. That's it there. Yes, man, you know. Yeah, what you want to know, no? I want to know for mash out, you know. Cause Max doesn't want to chunky. Here, what? Max, no left back nothing. Yeah, man. See that one here? Max, I'm not begging, no left back nothing, please.
But Dreamer Walk Road. Way. Way.
Put it out there so that.
Max. Pull it.
Shut your car.
No man, Jaja.
No, man, you know.
Max a walk on him. Max change him walking. Hey Max, busy.
Stop.
Max, busy.
Max the man like around to the.
He say walk off.
Yeah man.
Dream. Hey Dream. Dream, you better hold it down.
I don't let Jeep pray to fast and leave.
Too much weight for that belly, too much food in the belly. Max, you share with him, Max? Max, share with the dog, you know. Prefect, and Max on that?
Max, you know.
Max. Max, are you son that? Hey, Jean, hey, what's your belly? At the belly, hey, tuck in the belly, Jean, tuck in the belly. Tuck in the belly, Jean, tuck in the belly. Hey, Jean, too much food in your belly. Jean, you say if you tuck in your belly. Take that from her, move that from her. Yeah, that shall look something for a lamp on. The room, put on the street and she go room. Yeah. No walk road. Come. Bring her out there, some more stuff. You have to walk off the belly, Dream. You have to exercise the belly. Come. Don't run.
Come here, come.
Yeah, Dream. Well, Dream. Yeah, Dream. Yeah, Dream. People can say empty the can. Let me see the can. You see, better when you mash it out, you know.
That's about him now. Realize the trick with him now.
Alright.
When you mash it out, yeah.
Max, I need some night. Can't give my brother. Give my brother. Like
Make it safe for later.
Oh man, give my brother now. Right? Max Macklin and Max Rich, you know.
Yeah, it done this like 2 days, you know.
Max Rich, you know.
Look how much cheese come and get. I give him 2 a day, you know.
Patrick.
Go and watch it now. Remember shooting our force, you can enter, so I'm going to shoot in the hand.
Max get 3 in 1 there. 3 in 1 go. That is mad. Well, normally Max I leave sauce, you know. Max I leave no sauce. 3. And look, I'm gone now. Max, you want water? Max, you want Max gone with him pouring, I give him pouring. None.
You get ring.
Yes, Dream. Dream, I beg you to in your belly. I beg you to in your belly. A food, you see.
Get up, get up, right. Get up.
Yeah. Ban.
Born, yeah, born.
Ban.
What's up? Overeat flour.
Yes.
Eat flour. Eat the one.
Dream, I take what the little girl born for. Get up, get up.
Little girl
Take her up a bag.
so she had to keep from her.
See, she can't wait for long. Stand up. Too shy each one come back here. Hey.
She not want
Jesus Christ.
No! Dream not easy.
I'll piece of
Jim, put it in her mouth.
She don't want.
Jim, she put the whole bun in her mouth.
Still a fair one.
Jim, look at Jim mouth. Jim, I see you. And she mouth. And you have your bun in your hand. Jim, no sir, that's your belly turn so. Hey Jim, put that in our job out quick.
And the piece of job, she had to take it out.
And she push that in our mouth quick.
Eva bun this.
Jim, that is not nice. That is not nice. Yeah, back piece of bun, show her back her bun, man. She gonna eat slow, that's why.
The bun sweeter. See Eva bun there.
And you see,
That's your fucking weird, man. That's weird.
No, G.
Hey, leave me behind.
hey, leave her bun. Jim, leave her bun.
Dream not easy, no?
Jim, leave her bun. Hey, Jim, no sir. Hey, Jim, no sir. Yeah, man. Hey, see the thing is, so long she take to finish eat for her bun, and everywhere she take what she eat.
Yeah. From far. Yeah, tough.
Go out for food, man. Go out for food, man.
Go give her the girl, please.
Go on, give her a piece of bun.
A bad word you tell Dream right now, no. No, sir. A real food it is. They get piece. They get piece. Dream, they get piece. They get piece.
Yeah, about this now.
You get the piece.
And you see the piece there? Take our time, eat fair one. I want to teach the little girl who wants to poke it now more one time. A child. She don't want it done, you know. But when you take away the little girl one, Jesus. I know.
Eat them on. Eat them on.
I know. Yeah, wait no man, I go put on one more and put Dream in it. Baby, a bunny eating contest, I know Dream can't lose.
Got so much power.
Well. Yeah. These are good. Well. Blessings to our extended family. 2023, you know, on the journey still continue. Yeah. So 2023 in the journey still continue. You can say this is where it is, and this is what we're trying to turn the focus back to, you know, for the new year. And we know this year is a setback for a lot of, for each and every one, you know, because the starting of the year is always the roughest part of the year, you know. So we give thanks, you know, for the journey. You know, it's been a long way, and we have to continue. And there is no rush, no fuss, so we have to work with the time or the Almighty give it, you know, because everything is for a reason. You know, everything is for a reason. Nothing is perfect. You know, we give thanks to Him once we have life, how we can make something happen, you know. So we thanks to all the extended family who make it possible, you know, over the years, you know, who make it possible on this project, you know. As I said, nothing is perfect, but we're here trying to continue this mission, you know, because the journey has to continue. You know, as you can see, we're still on the project with Miss DONNA. You know, we know it's ups and we know it's down, you know. It's not everything is perfect, it's not everything is smooth sailing, so we have to also accept that same way. So whenever we get a time and whenever we get a support, we can do what we can do, but we cannot fight the Almighty. You understand? Because we have to work after the flow and the way the Almighty said we have to move, you understand? So it's just the energy most time we're up against. So you know, so we have to accept it and just flow with it. You know, and know, so yo, everything takes time. You know, in time things will happen. So maybe this is one of the time where we just accept, you know, it's show togetherness and show if we really fit to continue this journey, you know. Because that's what I always ask them, are you fit? You know, this is a marathon, can we keep up? So this is it, you know, to our extended family, you know, as I say, we accept what is, you know, we cannot be disobedient, we have to just accept what is, and this is what is, you know, nothing is perfect. So we're here, see me on the journey, trying to make an effort, see me, you know, in completing this project. So we're here now, 2023, so happy New Year's to each and every one. As we say, slowly but surely, you know, we know this will come to a pass. We know so at least it takes a time, but it will definitely complete whenever the Almighty said so. With prayer and belief, you know, faith, it will happen, because nothing is perfect. So when you're up against energy, you have to just accept it, you know, because the energy has to play its part. And we have to do our part as well, you know. But with the Almighty, in the midst of everything, definitely things will happen. You know, so we give thanks to our extended family. So we're here today, you know. We're gonna try and see what we can get done, you know. With anything at all we have here can get done. So we're gonna try to do some dressing. As you can see, we're doing some dressing. Here today we have Mighty Joe here and we have Prefect.
Yes, sir.
You know, and we have Natural so far, you know, and I know a couple members will be rolling in very soon. So this is where it is, 2023, we're in a new year, you know. We have to accept what is, and this is what is, you know. Nothing is perfect, so hopefully we know one day Miss Donna will be moving in, you know. But when the Almighty says time, and the Almighty says this is it, we cannot fight time and fight the energy. So this is what we are up to. So there's nothing to be ashamed about, and this is the project. So we're gonna do some dressing, some filling in. Natural, you know, I would tell them that time is, you know, time is everything. I know in time everything will be accomplished or it's supposed to. We cannot fight the energy that we're up against. So we have to just accept what is. And we have to access natural time whenever we can get it as well. But natural is a man, we're busy as hell.
Yeah, business.
And him still make an effort.
We still put on the effort.
Whenever he can.
Possible.
Yeah.
Do what we can do.
And we really appreciate that, you know. I could even be here so we accept the time that we can get from natural and boost wherever we can get our strength from. We have Mighty Joe here, see where, you know, chipping when I'm ready. We have Joe here, so it will happen, you know. So we're gonna see what we can get done today. We're gonna do some dressing, you know, because the work is already complete, as you can see. It's just the finishing part. That is the part that we are on right now, you know. We have Talpi just checking in. And Talpi in. Slowly but surely Talpi is checking in. Mango. We have Dibby rolling through. What is that? You, cuz. Eh? Yeah. DONNA. Yeah. Look like weed and a weed. You're checking in. You're checking in.
Joe, you there?
You're checking in. Yeah. You want the next board over the facial board?
No, this is not time. Not time then. I go on where? It's a where? No, I check on body. I can tell them meat canteen. Go see.
Farmer Talpi. Like you were sleeping. Enjoying the cool shit in your yard.
Natural. Or should be the same time like a piece of boat for a tall piece.
Yeah man, as you can see, this project is on this verge, you know, and we give thanks. And that is it. You know, water more man, pure those Nina. Yeah, so we're gonna do some dressing, you know, this is what we're gonna do, some dressing, you know. We're gonna smooth off what to be smooth off, dress out what to be dress out, you know, and I think it's on the verge of the completion. And then anything, you know, asking the extended family for any support we can get, you know, for the bathroom fittings. For the bathroom, we already have the shower head, we have the pipe there, you know, so for tiling, you know, and for the toilet, you know, asking for any support we can get towards that, you know, because we can see when the finishing, you know, there's not much left to do, you know, and tiles for the front, for the entrance coming in, you know, we're asking kind, please and time for any support we can get to complete this project, you know. You know, it's not easy, and anyone out there, you know, but just asking for kind of support to complete this mission, you know, paints, you know, we need support and painting and all the thing that, you know, so not far away on the mission, as you can see. So across the deepest part of the ocean already. So we're on the shallow bit, so you know, I don't know, and give thanks to the support that we've been getting from them till now, you know, and it's not far away from the standard opening, you know, so we're asking for any support we can get towards our bathroom fittings and also for our kitchen stuff as well too, you know. So we already get the sink for the kitchen, you know, just asking for some tiles, you know, to try to complete the entrance, and also for the bathroom. Kind of do say we're gonna use oak. I said name natural oak. You think we're going to name oak on the flooring?
Yeah. Coloring, very well.
Yeah, coloring. Yeah, so we're gonna use the coloring we do upon the flooring, you know, to make it smooth and nice. You know, so we're gonna use it upon the 2 rooms and the passageway as well too. And you know, for the entrance we'll put up some tiling, you know, so we're asking for any support we can get on that. I know it's not easy on anyone over there or anyone right now, so no matter how small it is, we give thanks, you know, we're gonna complete this mission. Remember, it's a dream team, you know, and together we are making it work. So for any support we can get, thank you so much. You know, it's a huge blessing and it's a huge thanks, you know, because we're on the verge. So you know, we have to thank Natural Team time each and every time, whenever they can give us this time. I remember, you know, say this is a voluntary work, you know, everyone volunteer for them time, and we appreciate the time that no one always can give them time. So within, you know, the true purpose to know what you're doing, you know, because once you know your purpose and know within your heart what you're doing, you know, Father God sees, you know, so give thanks, same way, you know, because this thing is not a thing where, you know, it's a quick fix, you know, it's all about the heart when you're giving and when you're volunteering, you know, they have to be from the heart, you know, everything for a purpose, you know, so we give thanks, same way, so the journey will definitely continue.
This guy want
You want something I need to very good?
Yeah, what's up, Kino?
What's up, man?
I'm here, bro. I heard that you were coming today, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, a long time those extended family don't see me over there, innit?
No.
Oh my gosh, because why they don't see me? You, Kino, are so busy in the country, I heard. Yeah, but anyway, the extended, you're gonna be proud. The cottage is so beautiful. Kino, you wanna see the cottage?
What?
Come take a look.
What? You say, Joe, take a look, China man.
Yeah, man, definitely.
Take a look how I go on the cottage. So I go around the cottage there. Oh, color red door.
Yes, man.
Tiling floor.
The cottage is very beautiful. You want me to tie up the skirt in here or what?
Yeah, man, the channel.
Okay.
Or the TV channel. Or the channel. Woo!
Alright, extended family. You're gonna love this. Right, bro?
There's up inside. Whoa! Whoa!
Yes. You see what I told you?
How is the hotel?
It seems so, bro.
Emperor House.
Seems so.
This is a hotel. Colorful. Whoa!
Gosh.
All the flooring. Jeez!
Me to tell you.
Jeez!
Yes. I set it for the Christmas.
This well set colors.
Yes. And they all told me they love all the curtain them too.
Of course.
Oh.
This is well set colors.
Guess what I'm saying, bro?
Well set cake and frosted flakes on the
And we have a hot
fridge.
plate there too.
Oh,
Yeah.
and the hot plate.
So we don't buy no box food no more, you know, Kino. Yes, we always cook our little thing. You get me? Extended? And then in the morning we plug in our kettle and, you know. Yeah, it's in the Christmas I bought all these lovely curtains here, you know, Kino. I took down the Chanel them.
All the man light a cake in your
my
bright
gosh.
light daylight colors.
That's what I'm saying, bro. Yes, and
Lovely.
They tell me they love the sheet here. I put on the sheet special because I know it was coming today, you know. Yeah, you know anything colors
Touch.
buy, you know, man. I always slap with.
So
Yes.
this is slapped it away.
Oh my God.
Not slap away,
Yes,
it's a
slapped it away.
Slapped it away.
Yes. And I want to big up, I want to tell my extended family, Happy New Year.
Yeah.
Yes, because we could have tell anybody say this smell bad fall cup, what can I look like this?
No, no,
Oh
no.
my gosh.
No, no, no.
Tell nobody say this smell bad fall cup was
No, no,
like
no.
this.
Why?
Yes.
Them have got to lead off a colors example, you know.
Tell you, my extended family, I know you guys gonna be very proud of
Of
me.
course, the jacuzzi bed,
Oh
man.
my gosh, I cannot wait when it's roadside, it's so pretty now,
Yeah.
extended. When we go lie down in that little more, you know. Oh my gosh.
You say you might miss your flight.
No, we ain't going to airport.
Okay.
Yeah,
So-
it was most like when British flight. Yes, because me over there Monday night extended and
Yeah.
me help two girls. When me done, I'm gonna link the girl and feel a little tip. Me go hear the man come and say, Colas, I'm a daughter them there now. Them don't know you, but we know you.
Yeah.
Program, here's £20.
Jeez.
Yes.
Just like
extended.
that.
Yes.
Turn down.
Oh. So as me I tell you, extended.
TV,
the
bossy
people-
and wall.
The people them who watch me on Kino program, they always give me money. Yeah, because they say, so guess what now extended? I miss a lot of people and a lot of money in the Christmas car. Kino, a piece of bad food knock me over, you know. Jeez.
A lot of people have the flu over
Yes.
the Christmas
Every
season.
minute my phone ring, Colors. Girl come off a flight. This I said, oh my gosh, but Kino, I couldn't do no better because the flu had me down so wicked,
Yeah.
extended. Yeah, a lot of people came in asking for colors and there was no
When I like in a bossy,
Yeah, everybody tell
in
me.
a well bossy.
Yes, man.
Bossy till you can't bossy no
bossy no
more.
more.
All the camera catch bossy.
Yes, guys.
All the lens them eyes start dazzle.
Oh my
The
God.
way in a bossy.
Yes,
Jesus.
sir.
And the
Yeah, one
tile pan floor bossy too.
To tell you, because
Master.
you know, remember, you know, when they did that do last year, you did come take a little small, run a little
Cause
small.
you make it look like we're not try because when time we fix up in here never stay so
Oh
man.
my gosh.
Eh?
So you see, we spend extended. You see, that's why you people always talk about me giving money, innit? Because when we go airport and nobody give us money and we hustle money, we spend it on the cottage.
And that is it.
Yes.
That is it, colors.
Look at the smell bad fall come.
Why?
Take a look at it now.
It is beautiful.
Extended
Beautiful.
Kino. Anybody go in this jacuzzi bed here now?
No one come out.
Oh, you know, they don't
No
want
one
to get
come out
out.
in a comfortable and
Oh,
cool
but
and
Kino,
nice.
hold on. You know, so me have one Arizona.
What?
I don't have really have a lot of drinks in the fridge, you know, me extended. Cause as I tell you true, I'm sick from it.
Yeah.
But true, me know Kino I come. I say, I have to make him get a Arizona.
Oh.
Yeah, so guess what I'm
Yeah.
saying?
See the Arizona colors with the I give thanks. Thank you. It's a happy new year gift. Thank you so much, Colors. I'm not like.
Some never sick, man. The fridge is pretty.
Pretty like Christmas tree.
That's a mercy, God, man.
In your blinging man Colors, me like it look.
Thank you. Kino, I know when you came around here and see how me treat you. I know you was gonna.
And the extended family is gonna like, wow, we're proud of Colors, boy. We're really proud of Colors.
I cannot stop big up my extended family because if it wasn't for you guys and Kino, Brown here would still look like a smell bad foul cover. You get what I'm saying? So I have to thank Kino and you guys.
Yes, sir.
Male and females.
Yes, sir.
You know what I'm saying?
All your fans them.
All my
across the world.
I love you so much. I love you so much.
Across the
Yes,
world.
because I tell you, Kino, me did just want to start.
Yeah.
And look at you.
And you never stop when you get
crazy.
the start.
We never stop.
And Colors nice to everyone. They say, jeez. Nice. Hey, Colors bossy.
Never stop.
And the man them head rest them. This is our style. We say Colors ready him running boat. You're not talking about the ship, you're talking about the boat.
Bro.
Yeah, Colors, you see? The way you're in here looking, I don't want to leave out. I have to leave out because I don't want to get too comfortable. And the camera want to sleep.
That's what I'm saying.
You know, so I have to leave out. You know, congratulations, cause me not lie. You make me proud, the extended family proud,
Yeah,
and
everybody.
and even the camera is proud.
Oh my gosh.
Because normally I come here and I shine light.
Yes.
In here bright like daylight. Jesus Christ. Hey.
Man, for real.
Yes,
man.
yes,
So
yes.
Me say, oh my extended, look who's at my doorstep.
Mother Teresa.
And my extended family.
Come in, come take a look.
Change up again.
Yeah, man.
And we tiled out last year, you know, and
In here spanking new.
Why? I make Kino feel so proud, Mother Teresa.
So too.
Yes, and extended family, they feel so proud too.
Yes, I.
Yeah.
Colors, as I say,
Yes.
I have to go run now.
Yes, Kino,
You know
man.
the thing go. Happy New Year. Same to you.
Yes, and Happy New Year again to all my extended family.
What is right there?
Colors love us so much.
Yeah.
Because you guys have done a great job to us down here in Jamestown. Trust me.
Alright.
We can't stop talking about extended and we can't stop talking about Kino.
So Colors signing
So
out.
I'm signing out. Happy New Year, everybody.
And see you at the airport.
One time, Colors love us so much.
Alright.
Okay.
Out.
Watch out now. You see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no.
Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.